Hi everybody. So this is our work sample PowerPoint for work samples that are due on or before March 3rd. Sooner the better though, please. Okie dokie guys. So hold on. For our math work sample I have here, the sample will actually come out in the OLS on February 3rd. Unit 9, Lesson 8. It's 2 pages. Page 143, 144. Our phonics work sample is also coming out on February 3rd, Unit 20, Lesson 3, and it's just page 56. I tried to get them on the same date, or at least within the same week. Science will be draw the weather at your house today, so whatever it is at your house, if they really want to draw, rain or something and it's not raining, or they want to draw snow, it's honestly not that big a deal. Labeling or writing a sentence is good. If all you can get is a drawing, that's fine too. Just label it. I was not able to pick a sample for February 3rd for this, so now this one will be January 30th. Unit 3, Lesson 3, I was able to tailor it to a lesson. And then for the social studies or history work sample, again, the questions are kind of strange. Well, not strange, but I don't want a kindergartner to just put yes or no. We used to have this great, wonderful book of worksheets that you guys could do for history and science, and I don't know why they don't send those anymore. But anyway, they kind of cut the curriculum down a lot. So this one is just draw your favorite baked good. Since it has to do with cookies, it can be honestly any baked good. Again, if they add some words or sentences or labels or whatever you want, that's fine. That one is January 31st, 2023. Can you believe it? And Unit 5, Lesson 6. And so I was able to tie that. I know that putting NA or I can never say the word, not applicable was confusing some people. I just decided I didn't want to use particular lessons. And as a teacher, I can do that, I guess. I didn't realize I could do that. So that's why I did that. But yeah, that's it. And then for art and music and world language, I just kind of figure things out. So again, sooner the better. I appreciate you and your child's hard work. Thank you guys.